Good day everyone, I welcome all of you to our channel Stay Awesome. Today is a beautiful day and I am reviewing some of the beautiful stories that I have read, the success stories which I have gone through, and I am going to share with you some magical formula for your success. Stay with us till the end of this video to know the magical formula of your success, and it is sure to happen. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's topic is believing in yourself, right? Understand that believing in yourself is really important, and the first and foremost thing for success is believing in yourself. Ideally, when I start any of the classes or training session, I begin with a story that is linked to the topic. तो आज भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक बहुत बेहतरीन स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. It's a fable, but it's really important that we have this quality within us. So let's begin. एक बार एक ऐसा सिचुएशन था कि लंदन के एक बहुत बड़े बिजनेसमैन थे. उनके एरिया में वो फेमस थे. ही वॉज वेरी मच पॉपुलर इन हिज एरिया एंड ही वॉज डूइंग अमेजिंग बिजनेस. तो ही वॉज इन टू हिज लेट 30s और उनका बिजनेस ग्रो होता गया. Slowly his business started to grow, and he was really happy with the way the business was progressing. But after 3 to 4 years, business में थोड़ा slow down हो गया, थोड़ा lag, and that was during the recession time as well. So the business started stagnating. They could not see further growth, and already they were going in minus. They could not pay the salaries of their employees. और कंपनी नुकसान में जा रही थी. बैंक में इन लोगों का खर्चा बढ़ते गया. This man was in depression. Literally, he was in depression, and he couldn't survive with the kind of atmosphere that was prevailing inside and also outside. So he decided to take out his life. He decided to commit suicide. तो ये थॉट की वजह से वो उन्होंने सोचा कि क्यों ना यूएस जाए, कुछ इसका रास्ता हल मिलता है क्या देखेंगे करके. He flown to US. And he went there. He was sitting in a park under a tree and he was crying. He was upset. तो वहां पर इनके पीछे एक शख्स आए और उन्होंने उनके कंधों पर हाथ रखा. And he asked, "My dear son, what happened to you while you're crying?" He said the entire story that I was a successful businessman, but मेरा business सारा loss हो गया and I am in depression now. I want to take out my life. The old man said, No, you should not do like that. Your life is precious. Do you know who am I? This man says, I don't know. Who are you? The old man said, I am Bill Gates, one of the richest men in the US. What I will do is, I'll give you a blank check. Fill how much ever money you want. Come back here after 1 year and give me back how much ever you have used. This man was shocked. और वो बहुत खुश होकर वहाँ से he thanked him and he came back to London. He called team meeting and he called all the team members to come and he said, we are going to bounce back. We have got a big investor who is ready to invest in our business and our business will grow like before. Let's do everything to make this happen. But he did not use the check. He kept the check in his drawer with a thought process, with a hope, with a confidence that he already has that blank check. He can use how much ever money he wants to build his business. तो पाइपलाइन में जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स है उनको कंप्लीट किया, क्लाइंट्स को खुश किया, कस्टमर्स को खुश रखे, और अगेन द बिजनेस स्टार्टेड टू इंप्रूव. विद इन ए ईयर ही कुड सी दैट द रेवेन्यू हैज गॉट डबल्ड. ही वाज सो एक्साइटेड एंड हैप्पी. उसके बाद वो बोले, उन्होंने सोचा कि लेट्स गो बैक टू यूएस, मीट बिल गेट्स एंड गिव हिम बैक द चेक विच ही गेव मी. तो ही फ्लोन टू यूएस एंड ही वेंट टू द सेम पार्क वेटिंग फॉर बिल गेट्स टू कम ओवर. And he was standing. 1 घंटे, 2 घंटे, 4 घंटे, 6 घंटे हो गए. He couldn't see, and he saw that there was a building nearby the park. And he thought कि आकर यही Bill Gates का building हो सकता है. Let me go there and see if Bill Gates is there. He went with the check safe in his pocket. तो वहां पर गए. जाने के बाद रिसेप्शनिस्ट से पूछा, Is this Bill Gates building? Can I meet Bill Gates? And she started laughing. Bill Gates? क्या कह रहे हो आप? Yes. And he narrated the entire story that happened last year, and he showed her the check. Then the receptionist replied that we have an old man who is mentally challenged and this building is for the mentally retarded people. Every day the old man will go into the park for walking or jogging. चेक उठाकर वो जो लोग परेशान होते हैं फाइनेंशियली उनको ब्लैंक चेक साइन करके दे देते हैं ताकि उन्हें सुकून मिले कि उनके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. And this man was amused and he literally started crying there. And suddenly he saw the old man, he came and this man thanked him, he hugged him and said that, I don't know who you are, but for me, you are Bill Gates. You are my survivor. You are my friend and I thank you very much for that. ये बोलकर वो वहाँ से वापस आ गए. Remember, my dear friends, the moral of the story is the belief which you have in yourself, the hope which you have on yourself is going to get you where you want to go. The final message from our side, from me and my friend Furqan, is that until and unless you believe in yourself, no one is going to believe in you. So start believing in yourself right now. Thank you so much. If you have already subscribed, I request you to like the video and share this video with your loved ones so that many people get benefited. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.